Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about inheritance in CSS. Inheritance is an essential feature of CSS that allows you to style elements on your web page in a more efficient way. It also enables you to create consistent and cohesive designs across your website. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as creating a separate file called styles.css inside a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find this code, and it should help you get started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. Let's head over to the styles.css file. In here, let's clear out the code from the previous videos. And let's add some styling for the body tag. I'm going to make all the text color blue. And for our heading element, let's make the H3 elements green. Once you save, you should see that all the text in the browser should be blue except for the headings, which should now be green. What happened here was that all elements inherited the blue text from the body element because the body tag is the top level element and all descendants will inherit the styling unless something overrides it, like how we added a different text color specifically for the H3 element. And that's how inheritance in CSS works. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources to learn more about this. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.